You know what's funny about being an INFP? We spend so much time chasing the things that we think will make us happy. Prestigious job titles that other people say that we should have, bigger paychecks, validation from people who really just don't get us. But then one day you're sitting at your desk at your dream job, you're staring at your computer screen, feeling completely empty inside, and it hits you. What actually lights you up isn't any of that external stuff. It's those moments when you're writing a story that feels true, when you're creating art that speaks to someone else's soul, that communicates what is really going on inside that they didn't have awareness of. When you're sharing your unique perspective online and someone comments, I thought I was the only one who felt this way. I spent years chasing that first list, thinking that's what would fill the void, that would give me fulfillment. Pretty much everyone does that, but it usually ends in disappointment. And what I realized is that your creative expression, my creative expression as an INFP, isn't just some hobby to fit in around all that important stuff. For us INFPs, that is the important stuff, the creative expression, the self-understanding. It's how we process the world. It's how we make meaning. It's how we connect with people. So go ahead and start that blog, launch that YouTube channel, share your art or writing online, not because it'll make you famous or rich, though it might, but because your soul literally needs it to breathe.